Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is December 12th, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading up 25.5 points to 26.67 per contract. This is a decent little pop in the futures. Yesterday we had another roller coaster session out here. So again, you could be up 25 points in the futures. That really doesn't mean a whole lot when it comes to the end of the trading session. So we'll see how today plays out. But again, expect more volatility, expect more whipsaw. I think that's what you have to play for now at this stage of the game. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news. We have American Eagle Outfitters up first. Stock is trading at $17.60. Closed at $19.03. Nice little haircut there. When I look at this name right off the bat here, there's definitely some support around 17. But after that, it really goes down to around $15 and then ultimately $14. So again, we'll see if this does come down further. Decent little sell-off here. I believe this is on the back of earnings. Let's take a look at PLAY, which is Dave & Buster's. This is trading at $44.80, closed at $51.03. Another haircut here. When I look at this name right now, I have to think around the $41 level should be very good support. So again, you're going to see we got down as low as 42 bucks after hours yesterday. If we get down to 41, I think there's a lot of decent support there. So we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at NBIX, which is a biotech name. This is getting a huge haircut today. Closed at $85.76, now trading at $70.05. I'm not sure of the news here. You can check it out yourself. I'm sure it's drug related, but we'll see how it plays out. Either way, I don't even see a level I would get interested in this name right now. Looks like the $60 area is something of interest. Maybe even down to 58, but we'll have to see it when it gets there. Next up, we want to take a look at URI. This is trading right now at 106.75. It closed at 101.86. So this is a nice little uptick here. This is on the back of their investor day. So a nice little pop there. This stock has been beaten up pretty good lately. Nice little move, though. So we'll see where it goes. I'm not seeing anything right here at the moment that gets me excited. If it gets to around 111, I do think there's a lot of resistance there. So keep that on the radar today. Let's take a look at Credit Suisse. I believe this is also an investor day conference they're having. Stock is trading at $11.21, up from $10.92. So you got a little bit of a pop there. We'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at HAIN Celestial. It looks like there's some news out on this. This is getting a bid. Closed at $18.80, now trading at $19.99. I did read the news on this, but again, you're going to want to check it out for yourself. Something about a strategic, hiring a company to find strategic alternatives or something like that. So either way, stock is getting a pop today. Lululemon is in the news today. They are upgraded. Stock trading at $120.50, closed at $116.85. So decent uptick for Lululemon. And again, nothing I would do with it here. We will look at this one, though, once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at MNK, which is Mallinckrodt. I believe this is trading on drug news as well. Now trading at $19.10, closed at $20.94. So this is a pretty ugly sell-off there at the moment. If it gets down to around $15.75, I like it there, but nothing to do before then. Next up, I want to take a look at Verizon. That's on a downgrade by Morgan Stanley. Stock is trading at 58 bucks, closed at 58.85. This has been one of the strongest stocks in the market, especially during a market downdraft. So if you take a look at a daily chart, this is held up very, very well today, being downgraded by Morgan Stanley. Also, Morgan Stanley downgrading Mosaic today, MOS. So that's trading a little bit lower. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. And then eBay also being downgraded by Morgan Stanley. That's trading at $28.50. General Electric today hit the 666 number. So if anybody remembers or traded back in 2009, March 2009, we hit 666, spot 78. Today, General Electric, look at that low, or yesterday, hit 666, and it has bounced from there. So we'll see if that's a low for General Electric. Scary number, very biblical, and we'll see how it all shakes out. All right, let's go over to the gold market. Gold futures today trading higher by $3 to $1,250 an ounce. If you take a look at the GLD, you'll see that's trading at $117.76, closed at $117.54. Crude oil getting a bid today, up 73 cents to $52.38 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track crude, you'll see that's trading at 11.07, closed at 10.95 yesterday. So there you have it. That's what we're looking at. If you haven't done so, come on over, take a 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a dynamite 2018, and we're going to look to keep that going right into the end of the year. So if you haven't done so, take that 7-day free trial. You can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a wonderful, wonderful trading day, and we'll see you on the charts.